Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be taking apart the Metal Toy Stop B all the way apart and putting it back together. And yeah, going step by step. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on the bell notifications. And also don't forget to check out the channel sponsors down below. And use my code Daily Dose of Fidgets to get 10% off your entire order at checkout. And yeah, let's get right into it. So first what we want to do is take apart these two screws at the top here. And then this one on the other side. There you go. That's the inside of this part. Pretty cool. Take off these two screws. There you go. And then take out the plate. This is the ZZ plate, by the way, just so you guys know. And then yeah, here are the balls and springs. These two balls are smaller, and then these two balls are bigger. The size of the balls, I will let you guys know right now. Alright, so this ball is, damn, it's gonna be hard to know. I'm guessing 2.4, 2.5, but we'll just say 2.4. And then, damn it, this bigger ball is gonna be 2.9. All right. All right, let me take off the balls first. Now let's take out the brass cups. Put them neatly next to each other. Now let's take out the springs. There we go. 4 springs. They're all the same. And yeah, that's it. And that's pretty much it. And then there's tape on here, but I'm not going to be taking that off. It says number 14, 1X. Can you see that? There you go. And top. So now what we're going to do is put it back together. Start with the springs. Then the brass cups. Okay, so these springs are not just ordinary springs. They're like, one side is wider than the other. So you gotta make sure you put them back in the right way. There we go. So that the brass cups can sit on them. balls back. There we go. To put the plate back. And this. Screws. And then this part. That's it. There you go. That's done. So yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Again, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the bell notifications. I got a lot of cool new videos coming. I am going to be tuning this thing with a lot of different plates and stuff like that, balls, springs, and all that stuff. So stay tuned, and make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code DailyDoseOfVideos to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.